Hi, have you been looking to learn how to meditate? Then today I'll be showing you how, along with some practice tips that will help you stay on track, especially if you're a beginner. I have been practicing meditation for about 2 years now, almost every single day. So I'll be sharing my tips with you in this video because I know it can be a struggle to stick with it and make it a habit for many of you out there. I'll also be sharing a bonus tip towards the end of this video, so you have to stay with me till the end for that. I'll be covering one of the meditation techniques over here called mindfulness meditation. So if you're ready, let's begin. Choose a time and a place, preferably a quieter place with minimum distractions. Sit in a comfortable position. I do suggest that you avoid the sleeping position, especially if you have a tendency to fall asleep while meditating. Rest your hands comfortably on your legs. Gently close your eyes. You can have them open too, but it is best to keep it closed, especially if you are a beginner, because that way you can stay more focused. Now get into focus and refocus. Focus your attention on your breathing while you slowly breathe in and breathe out. I do have a small tip over here. While breathing in, do the belly breathing, that is breathing into your belly and not your chest like you normally would, because breathing into your belly will send a relaxation signal to your brain that will help calm down your mind. If you feel like you're having a lot of distracting thoughts from your day-to-day life, like for instance, what should I cook for dinner? Or oh, I still need to do the laundry. Or oh, I forgot to do this. Or any such thoughts for that matter, just observe and acknowledge them as your passing thoughts without actively thinking about them. Just let them pass and bring your focus back to your breathing. So continue breathing in and breathing out. Now let's get to some practice tips. Firstly, you should prioritize meditation. It should not just be about the desire to meditate, but you should also have a goal in action. So use a time block and put it on a calendar if you have to. So this will get you started with cultivating this habit. Next tip is to embrace patience. Be kind and compassionate towards yourself, even if your mind wanders a lot. Just let go of control over your thoughts. Don't be harsh on yourself for losing focus. Just be patient. Meditation is like building your muscle, so it will get better with time. Reading books on meditation will also help you gain more insights about your meditation practice. So if you need help finding them, then I can share links to a couple of them down below in the description box. Lastly, consistency is the key. Stay consistent and optimistic about your practice, and you will see benefits from it. Now coming to the bonus tip. So if you are having a hard time staying focused while meditating, try repeating a calming word in your mind like love, peace, or even the name of a god if you believe in a calming way. Or you could also use some calming images of nature like ocean or greeneries, or even the image of a god to lay your inner gaze upon and remain focused. This will also help in calming you down and getting you to a peaceful state. Also, another tip, if you think your mind has wandered a lot the entire time and you start feeling like it was a total waste of time, just refocus for 1 more minute for the last time and you will feel a lot better. So if you enjoyed watching this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with those who might benefit from this video. Don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and leave me a comment down below to tell me more about your meditation practice. And before you go, check out the eye icon over here, wherein I've talked about other techniques to help you manage your stress and anxiety and get to a better state of mind. So yeah, take care guys, and I'll see you soon.